ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Good morning, student. Welcome you all in Samveda e-classes. I am your facilitator, Mrs. Najmanas, assistant teacher, GUHPS, Police Colony, Raichur. I am going to take today 4th standard, second language English. In that unit travel, I am going to take today lesson A Jolly Ride on the Namma Metro. There are 6 parts in this lesson. I today taking 4th part. Okay children, I hope you are eagerly waiting to the English class. I hope you are ready with your study materials, that is 4th standard English reader cum activity book, notebook and pencil. Yesterday I gave you homework. I hope you are completed your homework. Now I will check your homework. Read the lesson with correct pronunciation. Yes, student, you read the lesson. Okay. Next, some new words are there in that lesson. I hope you also learned those words. Practice text-based dialogues. Yesterday I performed text-based dialogues. I hope you practice those dialogues. The new words yesterday you learned, those that is fun. Fun means enjoyment or pleasure. फन बोले तो क्या उर्दू में उसका माना मजा. यहाँ बच्चे देखो पानी में खेलते हुए खुशी महसूस कर रहे, मजा ले रहे. दे आर प्लेइंग विथ वाटर. द फ्रेंड्स प्लेइंग विथ वाटर. व्हेन वी आर outside playing with our friends, then also we are enjoying. Some are enjoying by travel. Allow means permit or give someone permission to ask permission. Look in this picture, a boy is asking permission to the teacher to ask something, to tell something. ये पिक्चर में बच्चा अपने टीचर से परमिशन मांग रहा है कुछ बताने के लिए. Now third one is demand. Demand is nothing but to ask for forcefully. When the school is reopened, on that time you demanded to your parents, you want new bag, new shoe, new geometry box, etc. That is demanded. To ask for forcefully. मेरे को होना चाहिए बोल को जिद करते नहीं, that is demand. Next, 4th one, follow. To come or go behind somebody. To come or go behind somebody. Look in this picture. The chicks are following hen. Chicks are following hen. They are following to the mother hen. Okay. Now student, yesterday I gave you to practice the dialogues. Now I repeat those dialogues. Okay student, yesterday you practice the dialogues. Now I repeat this. You recall those dialogues. I written here dialogues. Now I will perform. She is Aunt Anusha. He is clerk. When I put this paper in front of here, you are assume that he is speaking. When I put this paper here, you assume that she is speaking. Okay, she is Aunt Anusha and he is clerk. You assume that, you imagine that you are a ticket counter. Excuse me. Yes, ma'am. Ticket for MG Road, please. How many you have? We have 3. 2 kids and I. That's rupees 90. Is any concession for kids? How old are they? One is 8 and another one is 10. No ma'am, you have to pay full ticket. Take this money. Take your tickets ma'am. Change please. Here you are. Thank you. Welcome. Very good, children. I performed these dialogues. I hope you also perform like the same in the next class. Okay, now we perform here at the ticket counter dialogues. Role play I did here. Now, when you meet your friend in the classroom and that how you greet your friend, I will show you some dialogues related to greeting. Assume that she is Najma. She is Najma. He is Aurang. She is Najma. He is Aurang. When you go to the school, when you meet your friend, and that time how you greet to your friend, I will show you some dialogues. Listen carefully. She is Najma. He is Aurang. Hello Aurang. Hello Najma. How are you? I am fine. What about you? I am fine too. Had your breakfast? Yes, I had. And you? Yes, I had too. Let's go to the class. Okay? Very good, children. These also greetings, dialogues you have to practice in your home. Okay, children. Now come to the lesson. What we learned yesterday, what we learned in the previous class, I given here some questions related to the lesson. You have to think and give the answer. First question is, name the metro service available in Bengaluru. Name the metro service available in Bengaluru. You know children well, Bengaluru में कौन सा metro service available है? Yes, very good. Namma metro train service available in Bengaluru. Very good, children. Now go to the second one. Are Namma metro trains have same color? Are Namma metro train has same color? No, they are not same. They are different. Red color, pink color, purple color, blue colors trains are there. Namma metro. They are going to other areas, but they are going to MG road, that they are going in blue color. Are Namma metro trains have same color? No, they are not same. They are different. That is purple color, red color, blue color and green color also you saw in this lesson. Now third question, which color metro train they have to travel? In which color metro train they have to travel? They have to travel in blue color. Good, blue color. When the gate will let you pass in Namma metro? When the gate will let you pass in Namma metro? Namma metro को आप स्टेशन को जाते नहीं, कब आपको गेट ओपन होता? Yes, when you put the tokens, then only the gate will let you pass in Namma metro. Okay, student, now I will read the lesson. You should listen carefully and put your pointer fingers under the words, because you have to listen the proper pronunciation and the words, letters, what are the letters used, that words you know well. That's why you should put your pointer finger under the words. I will read the lesson. You should listen carefully. Isn't the platform beautiful? Valley said with pride. Yes, agreed Apurva. So clean too. Here is our train, said Aunt Anusha. The train rushed in. The minute it stopped, the sliding doors opened and some people stepped out. Come on, Apurva jumped in excitedly. We will never get seats. Wait. Valley pulled her back. Let the people get off. Finally, the children got into the train and sat down. There is nothing to see through the window. Apurva said sadly, we will be traveling underground. Imagine, Satvik said, all those cars and trucks are driving over our heads. Apurva looked up at the roof as if expecting to see all the vehicles. Okay, children, in today's lesson, what are the new words we saw? Let's have a look. New words. Get off. Get off means move out. Look here in this picture, people are get off from the train. People are get off from the Namma metro train. You are looking here, some people are getting off and some are get on. Get off बोले तो some ट्रेन से उतर रहे हैं, get on का मतलब some चढ़ रहे हैं. अपोजिट है वो. Move out यानी ट्रेन से बाहर आना. Next, second one, platform. Platform meaning the place where you get on or off train at the railway station. Look at this picture, children. This is the railway station. Here, people are get on or off at the railway station. They are getting off and on. You know what's the meaning of get on, get off? In the first meaning, you learned यानी ट्रेन से उतरना get off है, ट्रेन में चढ़ना get on है. Platform means the place where the people get on and off the train in the railway station. रेलवे स्टेशन में जो प्लेटफॉर्म रहता वहाँ लोग नहीं ट्रेन के लिए वेट करते हैं और ट्रेन आने के बाद चढ़ते ही उतरते हैं, उसको प्लेटफॉर्म कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, प्राइड. प्राइड मीन्स बीइंग प्राउड. प्राउड मानी फख्र, नाज. व्हेन यू गेट द गुड मार्क्स इन क्लास, आप जब अच्छे नंबर से पास होते हैं, देन योर पेरेंट्स फील प्राउड. तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स यानी वालिदैन खुश होते हैं, नाज करते हैं, वाओ बेटा शाबाश कितने अच्छे मार्क्स लाए बोल को बोलते नहीं. हाँ, लाइक दैट, दैट्स वी कॉल एज प्राइड. दैट्स मीनिंग बीइंग प्राउड. व्हेन यू हेल्प द पुअर पीपल, जब गरीबों की मदद करते हैं, देन आल्सो योर पेरेंट्स फील प्राउड. When you help the physically challenged people, जो पैर से माजूर रहते, जो आंखों से अंधे रहते, ऐसे लोगों को आप रास्ता क्रॉस कराते हैं या फिर उनकी मदद करते हैं किधर जाने के लिए या फिर बस के अंदर चढ़ने के लिए, ऐसे टाइम में योर पेरेंट्स फील प्राइड. नेक्स्ट, अग्री. अग्री मीन्स टू हैव द सेम ओपिनियन एज somebody. Look at this picture, children. Their opinions are same. Where its picture showing us their opinion is same. They are agree with some point. यानी इसका मतलब क्या है? मुत्तफिक होना, दोनों ही नहीं राजी होना एक बात के लिए, इसको हम अग्री कहते हैं. To have the same opinion as somebody. Next, excited. Excited यानी eager. Excited means what? Eager. We are waiting to something to do, very excited. When your parents plan for tour, जब तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स या वालिदैन टूर के लिए प्लान करते हैं, तो you are very excited. Where we are going, what we look there, they are very excited. Okay, बेताब होना, खुशी से बेताब होना, कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम, क्या क्या चीजें देखते हैं वहाँ, that is the excitement. Okay, when you are in Friday, when your mother in home, she is cooking something special for you, you are back to the school, you are excited, what the mama is prepared for me. Yeah, you are excited, that is betab hona. Next, sliding doors. Sliding doors. Sliding doors meaning doors moving sideways. Look at this picture, children. Here the door is moving sideways. You are maybe seeing this windows in your home or in your neighbors and in malls and all. We will see this type of doors. स्लाइडिंग डोर्स यानी स्लाइडिंग दरवाजे, उसको है नहीं ऐसा साइड से ओपन कर सकते. Okay children, now I will explain the lesson. You should open the page number 57. Isn't the platform beautiful? Valley said with pride. Look at this platform picture. This is the platform. Platform means what? You know the meaning of the platform, where the people get on or off the train in the railway station. Okay, isn't the platform beautiful? Beautiful means खूबसूरत. Is it the platform beautiful? Yes, it's beautiful. ये बहुत खूबसूरत है प्लेटफॉर्म. Valley said with pride. उन फख्र से, नाज से बोलती क्या है बोले तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म ब्यूटीफुल है. Yes, agreed. अपूर्वा, so clean too. Yes, agreed. Agreed मतलब मुत्तफिक होना, यानी उसके बात में राजी होना. Yes, this platform is beautiful. That's why Apurva agreed to this statement. And she added to that, this is clean too. Isn't it clean? Isn't it? Yes, it's clean and clear. Clean and clear. Here is our train, said Aunt Anusha. Here is our train. यहाँ हमारी ट्रेन है, said Aunt Anusha. Anusha है नहीं बोलते. Look at this picture, children. This platform is beautiful. This statement is agreed by Apurva and she added this platform is beautiful and clean too. Now the train is waiting for them. The train rushed in. The minute it stopped, the sliding doors opened and some people stepped out. Look at this picture, children. The train rushed in. Rushed in बोले तो ट्रेन आहिस्ता नहीं आती, ऐसा बहुत स्पीड आती ट्रेन. And the minute it stopped, एक मिनट के वास्ते रुकती. Sliding doors. These doors are sliding. In meanings we read that the sliding door means the doors are move aside. Sliding doors open होते और people क्या stepped out. Stepped out mean get off. People से नहीं उतरते. Come on. Apurva jumped in excitedly. जब ट्रेन आती तब Apurva is excited. Excited means बेताब. She is eager to travel in Namma Metro. She is eager to travel in Namma Metro. She is excited. Excited nothing but eager. Eager यानी बेताब होना. We will never get seats. She is jumped in excitedly and we will never get seats. She is telling to others, Satvik, Valley and Aunt Anusha, come on, we will never get seat. Wait, Valley pulled her back. Let the people get off. When Apurva going to jump inside the train, the Valley is pulled her back. Pulled her back means this is the paper, I am pulling this back. यानी पीछे को खींचना. Pull her back means पीछे को खींचना. सामने रहने वालों को ऐसा पीछे से खींचना. Valley है नहीं, उसको पीछे से खींचते. पहले people उतरेंगे नीचे, लोग नीचे उतरेंगे ट्रेन से, उसके बाद हम चलते हैं, चढ़ते हैं उसमें बोलकर उनको बोलते हैं. Come on, अपूर्वा इतनी एक्साइटेड रहती. ट्रेन ऐसो है, हम अब बैठना. Because she came from a small village, she don't know about the Namma Metro. That's why she is very excited and she is excitedly jumped inside the train and calling to the others, come on, otherwise we will never get seat. Finally, the children got into the train and sat down. Finally, all those are entered the train and they get the seats. There is nothing to see through the windows because Apurva said sadly, there is nothing to see the windows. Windows means खिड़कियां, देर इज नथिंग टू सी थ्रू द विंडोज, हमें नहीं विंडो से कुछ भी नहीं देख सकते। बोलको सैडली, दे सेड सैडली, सैडली यानी दुख से बोलती। वी विल बी ट्रेवलिंग अंडरग्राउंड, अंडरग्राउंड मतलब लिसन हियर, ये सुरंग है, सुरंग के अंदर क्या है, पटरियां रहते, ट्रेन ट्रैक्स रहते, यहाँ से है नहीं ट्रेन मूव होती। दिस इज द अंडरग्राउंड ट्रेन सिस्टम और एलिवेटेड रोड सिस्टम यानी फ्लाईओवर बोलते नहीं, उसमें रेलवे ट्रैक्स रहते, दैट इज दिस रन्स, द Amma metro trains runs in underground train system or elevated road system. Now imagine, Satvik said, all those cars and trucks are driving over our heads. सात्विक पूछता, ऑल कार्स अभी नो अंडरग्राउंड में ट्रेवल कर रहे, तो हमारे हेड के ऊपर कार्स ट्रक्स आर ड्राइविंग ओवर अवर हेड्स, उन्होंने सब हमारे ऊपर से जा रहे क्या, पूछता। Apurva looked up at the roof as if expecting to see all the vehicles. Apurva looked up her roof, looked up at the roof, यानी ऊपर टॉप के इसमें है नहीं देखते क्या, ऐसा हमारे ऊपर से है ना जा रहे क्या ट्रेन, बोल को ऐसा है नहीं देखती, देखे जैसा करती। Okay children, here write well. We will see this task. Before we see this task, first of all, I will ask some questions to this related to this task. Did you know tenses? Children, did you know tenses? Okay, I will tell the tenses. There are 3 tenses are there, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. How many tenses are there? Present tense, past tense, future tense, 3 tenses are there. Can you tell me what is tense? Yes, tense is nothing but verbs that shows the time of the action. Tenses is nothing but verbs that shows the time of an action. The काम कब हुआ, verb बोले तो action words, action words is nothing but fail, fail बोले तो काम कब हुआ, हाल में हुआ, माजी में हुआ या मुस्तकबिल में हुआ, 3 टेंसेस है, हाल, माजी, मुस्तकबिल। इसी तरह अब वर्ब यानी एक्शन वर्ड, काम, ये काम हाल में हुआ या माजी में हुआ या मुस्तकबिल में हुआ, हमारे को ये वर्ब के जरिए मालूम होता। Verb means what? Verb is nothing but action words and also words indicate happen something, कुछ काम हुआ है, इसको बता, ये है नहीं हमारे को वर्ब बताता है। Now children, you should focus on 2 tenses, third one we will see in next class. How many tenses are there? 3 tenses are there, present tense, past tense and future tense. Now we will focus on today only present tense and past tense. Okay, tenses you know na, tenses is nothing but verb which shows the time of the action. वो काम कब हुआ बोल को हमारे को tense बताता। Okay, we are focus on only today present tense and past tense. Present tense बोले तो क्या, हाल में जो काम हुआ वो, past tense बोले तो क्या, माजी में जो काम हुआ उसके बारे में हम बात करते ना, उसको हम past tense बोलते हैं। Okay, here some of the verb given, go, goes, went given, here stay, staying, stayed given, take, took, taking, these are the verbs. Go यानी जाना, is it action words? Yes. Stay रहना, this is also action word, verb. Take is nothing but action word. कंफ्यूज ना को कर लियो बच्चों, वर्ब बोले तो एक्शन वर्ड, एक्शन वर्ड इज नथिंग बट वर्ब, वर्ब इज नथिंग बट एक्शन वर्ड। यानी गो यानी जाना, यहाँ काम हो रहा नहीं, जाने का काम हो रहा, तो दिस इज द वर्ब। नाउ वी आर टुडे फोकसिंग ऑन प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड पास्ट टेंस। गो इज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस, जाना, गो। पास्ट टेंस क्या है इसका, माजी क्या है, वेंट। गो का पास्ट टेंस क्या है, वेंट है। स्टे का क्या है, स्टेड है। टेक, टुक, ओके, टेक का क्या है, टुक है। इसी तरह बच्चों, few are the verbs mostly using in our day to day life, that is play, Place past, played. Want, wanted. Come, came. Cry, cried. Smile, smiled. These are the few verbs I gave example to you. This is we are using in a day-to-day life. Now we go to this task, children. Fill in the blanks choosing from the ones given in bracket. Here in brackets few words are given. Which word is suitable for these blanks? You have to fill that. बच्चों यहाँ थोड़े वर्ड्स दिए सो है कौन सा वर्ड सही है वो ये खाली जगह में भर्ती करना. Look at this here one letter written by you. Letter is given by you. This is the informal letters. Formal letters and informal letters. This is informal letters. Formal letter means official letter, but this is informal letter. Here Nandipura, 22nd October 2013. Dear Devika, someone is writing, Satvik is writing this letter to Devika. ये लेटर सात्विक देविका को लिखता है. ये है नहीं पर्सनल लेटर होता. फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल टू लेटर्स इज देयर. दिस इज द पर्सनल लेटर. ओके, ये लेटर कौन किसको लिखता? सात्विक हैज रिटन टू देविका. हाय, आई एम फाइन. हाउ आर यू? You know last week Apurva and dash to Bengaluru. We dash stayed in our aunt's home. My aunt dash taking us to a jolly ride on the Namma metro. Look at this, children. What we fill here. First we have focus. Which form is this letter? Satvik is speaking about last week. This is the past work. He is speaking in present. So we have to write the verbs in past tense. We have to put here past tense words because he is speaking about past. Last week work he is speaking. So we have to put here past tense. Hi, I am fine. How are you? You know last week Apurva and I dash. Means which one you have to write here? Goes, went. Go past tense, which word? Went. We have to write here went. To Bengaluru. We dash. Stays past tense? Stayed in our aunt's home. My aunt dash. Take past tense? Took. Here you have to write took us to a jolly ride on the Namma metro. Okay, children, here few are the verbs given. Now you have to tell me what's the past tense of get. Past tense of get is got. Now get on. Past tense of get on is got on. Right past tense is rode. Right past tense is rode. Get past tense is got, get on past tense is got on, and right past tense is rode. You have to write here because this letter is in past tense. He is speaking about last week work. So we put here past tense, past verb. Got the tokens and got on the train. We rode through the underground and over the bridge. Really, it was a fun to ride on the Namma metro. See you, your Satvik. This is the personal letter. This letter has written by Satvik to Devika. He is speaking about his experience, what we done in last week. Okay, children, here another task is given to you. Copy the following sentences in the 4-line book. I hope you all have these 4-line books. Do you have 4-line books? Yes, very good. You have 4-line books. This is the 4-line page I given here. You have the 4-line books. It helps to improve your writing. This 4-line book helps to improve your writing, and you should be, when you practice in this 4-line book, your writing should be neat and clear, beautiful, neat and clear. Okay, copy the following sentences in the 4-line book. You know now children how to write the sentences in 4-line books. One sentence is given to you. I want to make memories all over the world. One sentence given to you. I want to make memories all over the world. Here, in always capital letter you should write in 3 lines. That is 1, 2, 3. In first 3 lines you have to write always capital letters, and in middle 2 lines you have to small letters, and someone goes touch to red line, top the red line, and someone touch to bottom the red line. Okay, I hope you understand how to write in 4-line book. Always write capital letters in starting 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Look here, this capital I is touched to 3 lines. Always capital letters should be right in only 3 lines, and small letters should be in middle 2 lines. Some small letters touch to the top and some touch to the bottom. P, Q touch to the bottom red line. Okay children, now I will give homework for you. First, read the lesson with correct pronunciation. Children, you should read the lesson in your home with correct pronunciation, pause and pitch. Second one, learn and write new words 5 times. Today, you learned new words. That is, which one you learned today? Get off, platform, follow, agree. Those are the new words you learned today. You have to practice those new words in your home. Next, third one, copy the following sentences in 4-line book. I given here 2 sentences to you. You should copy in your 4 lines book. You have already, copywriting, English copywriting book. Yes, in that you have to copy down these 2 lines 5 times. First line is, my favorite thing is to go where I have never been. First one is, my favorite thing is to go where I have never been. मेरा फेवरेट थिंग क्या है? अब मैं कौन सी जगह नहीं गई, वहां है नहीं जाना चाहती हूँ. Next, second one, I have left my heart in so many places. I have left my heart is in so many places. मैं मेरे दिल को बहुत जगह छोड़ा हुआ हूँ. मतलब I have many ideas, thoughts, etc. Thank you children. That's all in today's session. I will meet you in next class. Stay home, stay safe and utilize these holidays. Thank you.
Anudina